Sige lang, sunod lang. Sunod na yung buhay. Marami din, naglingkod-lingkod. Barang nga doon niya. Kwarta na kulang para doon niya. Ayun naman. Sarah, dali raw. Dali raw tayo niya. Ano dili sa Mangayo? Mangayo. Sakay ka na siya. Mangayo siya nakita ko na halal. Basa-basa. Dire po ko. Hello, ma'am. Dire, magpayo. Maghapot. Manalagay na siya. Ano dili sa Mangayo? Mangayo. Sakay ka na siya. Mangayo siya nakita ko na halal. Basa-basa. Dire po ko. Hello, ma'am. Dire, magpayo. Maghapot.
All MCY19 National Labor was operative to start with. We have with us this morning Professor Nora A. Lar, Mayabun Nagman, also Professor George. And once again, this sama sa ginod sa atong DOE chairperson. This is the last 47th Annual General Assembly by Cluster Schedule. And it is right and just to acknowledge all of our members who are here right now to start with atong tawagon ang gikan sa Montego Branch. Asa mga taga-Montego, ang manunggan ba ang inyong mga handiyaw, ang inyong mga waves, ang inyong mga kamot? Alright, gamay-gamay pa tayo Montego, first na mga pagulong pa. We have also from Kiwalan Branch. Yan, nagsugod na, nagkahinay-hinay na ang mga shakit. Yes, we have also
from Libama Branch. Asa mga members from Libama, kaway-kaway. We also have our members from Poblacion Branch.
Hindi ko kayo ang isip sa mga mountains, especially sa mga nakaula ay dapog sa ilang mga kakulo yan ng morning kung nakagising sa ilang mga ilaga. We have also members from Palawan Branch.
Warley, ma'am.
So we have here the Palawan sensors. Yan ang sa mga teachers na loob ang ilang nalakundagan. And proceed your day.
We also have our members from Tubuo, Piligan Branch.
Ma'am Malo.
Asa mga members from Tubuo, Piligan. Now let's proceed with our members from Suwales, Turinoko Branch.
But not the least, this is the mga members.
Ito kay Dako.
Burumon Branch! Si Mama already happy. Salamat tayo, ma'am, sir, sa inyong oras. Pag-alino, magbigay kayo sa mga friends sa
celebration because aside from the 47 years of our existence sa Community, we take this opportunity also to recognize our outstanding members from the different branches as well as our valued partners from Legal Affairs, Healthcare, PhilHealth, and our Gatekeepers. To present the award, I'd like to request here in front our chairperson of the board of directors, Director Edward Elonawa, together with our Chief Executive Officer, Sir Albert B. Tiago, and our Area 1 Manager, Ma'am Janet A. Hernandez, and our Area 2 Manager, Ma'am Mercy B. Malibu.
Requesting our representatives to be on our area.
Gani na to kay Sir.
And Sir Jay, as I said, no, atong pag-enroll sa co-op is not just an ordinary membership na atong tinanong na dito. But then again, it's a calling. It's a calling to be part of the cooperative. Nga, no? Because our goal is not just being in saving,
Sa kuwan mo government.
more than that. Our social responsibility, our resiliency in different.
We've been standing for the last 3 years, deemed to have paid the highest interest for the year ended 2024. But
Naday mo pula ni Nay Dili. Naday mo pula.
Have attended the General Assembly at least once in the last 5 years. Have exercised his or her right to vote. Must have recruited members during his or her membership in the cooperative. Have patronized products and services of the board.
We would like also to request our respective branch managers to hope our awards are going to be given, but please also be present here.